Okay, so good afternoon. Let's get started. What can I say? This PPT will have 3 exam questions, so you can see the answers, Yogi. In the book, it's page 119. So we'll be looking at as long as big as tall as, and we'll also be looking at although. Here we go. Although. So page 111. We'll do it PPT style because it's more interesting. So PPT is called Earth to Mars Exam Prep 1. So we'll look at some Mars facts. As big as small as cold as, and although, and it's although is basically but, you'll see. Okay, and some rover facts. Okay. So, what is as? Well, this is easy. So, as. Let's look at some examples. So, Mark is as strong as tin. So they're like, they're as strong as, so they're the same. Okay. Dan is, let's get a Hoksang in here. There we go. Dan is not as tall as Peter. So not as tall, not the same. Okay, here's another couple of examples. So we have, white shoes, $20. Blue shoes, $500. It's crazy. So the white shoes are not as expensive as the blue shoes. So price different. Here's another example. So we have old red car and new white car. So the red car is not as new as the white car. So old, new. So not the same. Not the same. Yeah. So here I've got a scramble. We've got Kevin and Steve and Rich. Kevin as is not Steve. Steve. Okay. So what would go first? Kevin, yeah. Kevin
is not
is not
as rich as Steve.
Oh, 그렇지. So Kevin is not as rich as Steve. So rich Kevin, not so, we're rich Steve, not so rich Kevin. Okay, now, exam stuff now. So Earth and then Mars. And as you can see, Earth and then, little Mars. Little Mars. So we have, 1 second. So as small, Earth is not Mars as. So what would go first?
Earth
Earth.
is not as small as Mars.
Yeah, there we go. So Earth is not as small as Mars. Okay. now we've got three. We've got Earth, Mars, and then back here, I don't know if you can see it really well, Moon. So Earth is not, or the Moon, as Mars, dry. So like mool, water. So a lot of water, just a little bit of water, and then no water. So what would go first?
Earth
Earth.
is not as dry as Mars or the moon.
Yes, there we go. Very good. So Earth is not as dry as Mars or the moon. So much wetter, little wet, and then no water. Yeah. And then another one here. Here's Earth and Mars. One day is 24 hours. And then on Mars, one day, 24 hours, 40 minutes. So almost the same, almost. Here we've got days. Earth are about as long as days on Mars. So what would go first?
Days
Days.
on Earth are about as long as days on Mars.
There we go. Nice. So days on Earth are about as long as days on Mars. They're about the same. Yeah. All right. And then next one, these are all to scale. So here's Earth, and then little Mars, and then this one is Venus. And little Mercury. So Venus and Earth, about the same. So is size Earth about same as Venus? So what would go first?
Venus
Yeah, Venus.
is about
Yeah, it's about.
the
Yeah.
same size
Yes, there we go.
as Earth.
Perfect. So, great. Venus is about the same size as Earth. It's a little smaller, but almost the same. Good. And I think this is last example, maybe last example. So Earth, Mars again. And so is size Earth about half the Mars of the? So what would go first?
Mars is about half the
Yeah.
size of the Earth.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so Mars is about half the size of the Earth. You can also say, Earth is about twice the size of Mars. Yeah. All right. Oh, actually, I think this one is the last one. So this is the Arctic in Canada. And then there's Mars. So we've got as Mars, about cold Arctic is the. What's about up there? So what would go first?
Mars
Yeah, Mars.
is about
Mhm.
as cold as the Antarctic.
Yeah. Well, this is not really true, but it's close. Mars is about as cold as the Arctic. Okay. All right, so that's as, all finished. Okay, next part. Next part is although. Yeah, so let's do although. Okay, so although Mars is cold, we could live there soon. So although Mars is cold, we could live there soon. Here's another way to say it. Mars is cold, but we could live there soon. Jacques.
Mars is cold, but we could live there soon.
Yeah. So these two are the same. So when you see although, just think but. So one, but two. This is saying but one, two. Same meaning. And here's another example. So we've got sun, earth, moon, Mars. So although Mars is far away, we could travel there soon. Right? Although Mars is far away, we could travel there soon. Can you say this with but?
Mars is far away, but we could travel there soon.
That's right. There we go. Great. So, same meaning. Mars is far away, but we could travel there soon. Okay. Okay, so this one is similar to a textbook. Now that's the Martian movie. Although there are many movies about Mars, no one has been there yet. Although there are many movies about Mars, no one has been there yet. Can you say this with but?
There are many movies about Mars, but no one has been there yet.
Yeah. Okay. So there are many movies about Mars, but no one has been there yet. Okay. This is on the exam right here. A little change, but it's right there. Next. So here's a robot rover on Mars. Move it around. So we've got have sent Mars many far away, although we robots. So we've got all those. We know that's first. That's got to be first. So what's next?
We
Yeah, let's see. Ooh.
Oh, although Mars is far away, we have sent many robots.
Yes, there we are. Yeah, you could flip this, but it would sound a little strange. Although we have sent many robots, Mars is far away. okay grammar, but this is more logical. So good, good. And then with but, Mars is far away, but we have sent many robots. All right. Next. This is a picture of Mars weather. So they get many tornado storms. Although it's still Mars, little air has many storms. So what goes first?
Although
Although.
Mars
Mm-hmm.
has you would little air.
Yes, there we go. Yeah. The comma is always a clue. So although Mars has little air, and then here's two.
It still
Yeah.
has many terms.
There we go. Great. So although Mars has little air, just a little air, it still has many storms. And then with but, Mars has little air, but it still has many storms. Okay. Well, I think this is last example. Yeah, last example. This is a picture of, how would you say it? We'll call it an idea picture of Mars colony. This is what they think it will look like. So, can't our now, although live on Mars, children will. So, what would go first?
Although
Yeah.
we can't live on Mars now,
Oh, yes, now. Yeah, you're right.
our children will.
Yeah. So, although we, like you and me, can't live on Mars now, our children in the future will. So, here's it with but. We can't live on Mars now, one, but our children will. Good. So, here's another picture of Mars colony. Thank you. All right. So that's although and as tall as. And this is our last class before the exam. I just want to make sure you are ready. Ooh, that's loud. And make sure. Okay, so did we do this?
Maybe no.
Maybe no, okay. Let me show you I'll just show you a couple of them because this style is one exam question. So I'll just show you a couple of these. Now, what is it for? This kind of A, B is one exam question. So this kind of conversation. So, do you know what this is? I'm not sure. What is it? It's a fish basket. A what? What is it used for? It's for cooking fish. Ooh, wow. That looks useful. I'll show you one more. Well, maybe not this one. We already did butter stick. Okay. I'll show you this one plus one more. So, can you say one and I'll say two? 시작.
Do you know what this is?
I'm not sure. What is it?
It's a ramen fan.
A what? What is it used for?
It's for cooling your ramen noodles while you eat them.
Wow, that looks useful. So a little fan that goes beep. Okay. And toaster. We'll skip that one because that one's not on the exam. Where's slippers? Where's the slippers? Okay, here we go. All right, this one's very similar to the exam. So one more time. I'll do one, you do two. Do you know what this is?
I'm not sure. What is it?
It's a baby mop.
Or what? What is it used for?
It's for making your baby clean the floor when he or she crawls.
Wow, that looks useful.
So on the exam, you'll see all of these, and you have to choose which is first. This one. Which is second? This one. And then third, and then four, and then five, and then six. So that's what it'll look like. Okay. All right. And I think we did all these. And did we do VR video?
Maybe no.
Maybe no. Okay. We'll just do it one time with Jama, real quick.
Real life talk.
Oh my goodness, that's so loud. Wow. Blew my ears off.
How was your weekend, Hojin? I had a great time. I went to a science exhibition with my brother. Did you? I heard there were so many interesting things. Yes, look at this. I bought it there. Do you know what it is? Well, I'm not sure. What is it? It's a VR headset. A VR headset? What is it for? If you wear it, you can experience another world. Sounds cool. May I try? Sure. Here you go. Wow.
Okay. So, two quick questions. Where did Hojin go last weekend?
Science exhibition.
Yeah, science fair or science exhibition.
He went to a science exhibition.
And then, what can you do if you wear a VR headset? He said, you can.
Or I can. Oh,
What did he say? Something about another world. Yeah.
experience another world.
That's right. Yes, that's right. There we go.
You can experience another world.
Okay.
Your turn.
Hey, okay. It's so loud. All right. Okay. All right. So all finished. I think you are ready for the exam. So was that easy or?
Easy.
Good. Okay. Well, I hope it was fun. So we're all finished. Thank you very much and good luck on the exam. So bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.